Hello, my name is Katie Brindle and I want to introduce you today one of my ultimate tools, which is the mini facial bamboo tapper. Now this is made of bamboo and it is here to improve the circulation to your skin, leaving you feeling with fresh, radiant skin by simply tapping. Just like this. Now tapping is an ancient technique which is known as pai sha, and pai sha is the easiest way in the world to get circulation moving up into the surface of the skin, which is what you need it to do, because circulation is king. If your skin is looking sallow or pale or irregular, or you're getting acne or hormonal breakouts or dry papery skin, you need to get the circulation moving. One of the key things that people need to know is that stress, which is one of the major things we're all dealing with these days, compromises the circulation system. It means that the body takes circulation out of the peripheral organs, one of which is the skin, and puts it into the muscles for the fight or flight response. So what we need to do is just tap it back into circulating correctly. And there's nothing easier in the world than tapping with this tapper. So it's very simple. We just tap down the sides of the throat like this, just to clear out any lymphatics. Tap along the side of the cheeks and then down. Tap over the forehead. You can tap just over the orbit of the eye. You can then even tap down the back of the neck to help lymphatic drainage and also to improve circulation and to target the energy channels across the face and neck. Now, tapping is going to make a massive and immediate difference to how you feel. Tapping is energizing yet relaxing, and it's going to allow your skin to feel almost like a kind of frothing effect, like a cappuccino sitting under the surface of the skin, allowing everything to feel fresh and energized and ready either for bed or for makeup. So have you ever heard about face tapping, or is this something that you would wish to include in your beauty routine?